more. Hard to believe that 10 grams or whatever, not 10 grams. Let's try turning the other way. Yep, let's not.
It seems to lose a lot of altitude in between.
Try using more rudder. Try to keep it flatter. More skid turns here.
Oh, that's nice.
Kind of stalled there, I think.
Huh?
I think I kind of stalled it.
Maybe it was covered.
Yeah. When I flew it last time, I used that first battery. I'm going to move the battery back a little bit. Let's pick it out of there. And normally I was flying it with a 300 milliamp, and this is just a 200, so. I think we'll land it.